Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a school Chromebook. Many school devices have restrictions, making direct game installation impossible. The solution lies in cloud gaming services, which stream the game to your Chromebook. These powerful services run Fortnite on remote servers, sending the video feed to your screen. This means your Chromebook doesn't need to handle the heavy processing, allowing you to enjoy the game without local installation. To get started, you'll want to explore popular cloud gaming platforms. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a fantastic option, offering a dedicated Fortnite experience. Another excellent choice is Xbox Cloud Gaming, which also supports Fortnite. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay, ideally at least 15 megabits per second download speed. This ensures minimal lag and a more enjoyable gaming session. Setting up is straightforward. First, create an account with your chosen cloud gaming service. Next, link your existing Epic Games account to access Fortnite and your progress. For the best experience, consider using a compatible game controller or a keyboard and mouse, as these offer precise control. Finally, ensure your Chromebook's web browser is fully updated for optimal streaming performance. To optimize your gameplay, connect to the strongest Wi-Fi network available, preferably a 5 GHz connection. Close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications running in the background to free up your Chromebook's resources. If you encounter any lag, try adjusting Fortnite's in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. For the most stable connection, consider using an Ethernet adapter if your Chromebook supports it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.